Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to manage your diabetes and keep your blood sugar levels in check, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of superfoods, those nutrient-packed powerhouses that can make a real difference in your health journey. From delicious berries and leafy greens to nuts and seeds, these foods are not just tasty, but they also have amazing benefits for your blood sugar management. Stick around as we explore how these superfoods work, how to incorporate them into your diet, and share some simple, delicious recipes to get you started. And we want to hear from you. If you have any stories about your experience with diabetes and diet, please share them in the comments section below. Your insights and tips could help so many others on their journey. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss a video. Your support means the world to us. And if you're planning to make a purchase, consider using the affiliate link in the video description. It helps support our channel and allows us to keep bringing you great content. Subscribe for more health tips. 6 superfoods high in vitamins for those with type 2 diabetes. What qualifies as super food? It takes more than simply nutrient-dense meals to prevent type 2 diabetes. You also need meals that will assist control your blood sugar, glucose, levels if you want to follow a diabetes-friendly diet. The ideal meal for type 2 diabetes does not exist. Rather, a whole foods-based diet high in fiber, protein, and healthy carbohydrates in moderation is the healthiest diet for type 2 diabetes. People with type 2 diabetes should monitor their carbohydrate intake, but they are not required to adhere to a low-carb fad. In contrast, a well-balanced diet that includes a sufficient number of vegetables, healthy fats, protein, and carbohydrates at each meal is the healthiest diet for individuals with type 2 diabetes. Although dietary modifications cannot reverse the effects of type 2 diabetes, they can reduce the risk of associated consequences such as neuropathy, nerve damage, heart disease, and renal disease. It's critical to control your blood sugar levels, and eating can help a lot with that. In actuality, type 2 diabetes is influenced by diet in a number of ways, including mood, weight maintenance, heart health, and glucose management. Additionally, evidence of a connection between food and the onset of type 2 diabetes is still being discovered by researchers. Over 64,000 women were the subjects of a 15-year study that examined the effects of nutrition. Eating foods high in antioxidants was proven to dramatically reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. Superfoods is not a medical term. Rather, it refers to nutrient-dense foods that may offer more health advantages than other foods. Moreover, you'll discover that entire, unpackaged meals free of added sugars, fats, or preservatives are what superfoods are all about in terms of diabetes. Not sure where to begin? See these suggestions for supplementing your diabetes diet with more superfoods. 1. To cut fat and increase fiber, replace meat with beans and lentils. With their high fiber and protein content and delayed digestion, beans are an excellent choice for controlling blood glucose levels in a type 2 diabetic diet. The U.S. Department of Agriculture states that just 1/2 cup of any kind of bean will supply as much protein as 1 ounce of an equivalent amount of meat. Similar health advantages of other legumes are crucial for the management of diabetes. In one study, Canadian researchers discovered that eating beans, chickpeas, and lentils was linked to better blood glucose management, lowered blood pressure, and decreased levels of blood fat, or triglycerides, in type 2 diabetics. 2. Consume salmon to obtain omega-3 fatty acids. Seafood in general is beneficial for diabetics. The National Institutes of Health states that omega-3 fatty acids, which are abundant in salmon, mackerel, tuna, sardines, and herring, can decrease blood fats called triglycerides and thereby support heart health. As advised by the Food and Drug Administration, just be sure to stay away from or consume little of the fish that have high amounts of mercury, such as marlin, king mackerel, swordfish, and tilefish. 3. Examine tree nuts as additional sources of good fats. Nuts are satisfying and full of protein and fiber. They also have a high concentration of unsaturated fats, which raise HDL, or good, cholesterol and are therefore beneficial to heart health. However, the polyunsaturated fats found in tree nuts, including almonds, cashews, hazelnuts, pecans, walnuts, and pistachios, are particularly helpful in balancing blood sugar. I should mention that peanuts are legumes, not tree nuts. 4. Scoop up some fresh blueberries for antioxidants that fight disease. All berries are abundant in antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber. But for those with type 2 diabetes or those at risk, blueberries may be the most advantageous. A food that can help shield the body from harm is referred to as having antioxidants. Vitamins included in the meal itself, as well as food coloring, contain antioxidants. Generally speaking, the antioxidant concentration increases with color depth. 5. Eat a side of broccoli to up your vitamin A and C intake. A diet high in cruciferous vegetables, such as broccoli, may help lower the risk of cancer, according to a review of the literature. Brimming with antioxidants, broccoli also has a high vitamin C content and is a strong source of vitamin A, two nutrients that are vital for everyone, diabetic or not. 6. Satisfy your potato cravings with sweet potatoes packed with fiber. Not all potatoes are made equal when it comes to foods for type 2 diabetes. It's better to go for sweet potatoes, which are high in fiber, eat the skin for extra fiber, and a variety of other vitamins, to help control your blood sugar levels. One medium sweet potato, cooked without adding fat, provides 3.8 grams of fiber, or 15% of the daily value, according to the USDA. And that's a wrap on today's video about superfoods for diabetes control and blood sugar management. We hope you found this information helpful and inspiring. We'd love to hear from you. If you have any stories or tips about your experience with diabetes and diet, please share them in the comment section. Your insights could make a huge difference for others in our community. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos. Your support means the world to us and helps us keep creating content that makes a difference. And if you're planning to make a purchase, please consider using the affiliate link in the video description. It's a great way to support our channel while you shop for the superfoods and products we talk about. Subscribe for more health tips and recipes. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy and happy.